Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by focusing on the sheet and what you need to find. Click into the sheet, then press Ctrl+F or CMD+F to open the Quick Find box. Type a word or fragment and press Enter. You can toggle match case or match entire cell to narrow down hits, which is useful when similar terms appear. Once you see highlights, use the arrows to jump through occurrences. Make sure to note which column context matters, because that guides the next filtering or formula steps. Once you have initial hits, use a filter view. Select headers, click Data, create a filter, then choose Text Contains or Number filters to reduce the list. For formula-based control, use Find for case-sensitive matches, Search for case-insensitive or Rejects match for patterns, nest them inside IF array formula or filter to return matching rows. This approach scales. Filters for quick one-off views, formulas for live extraction. Make sure to reference correct ranges so results update as data changes. To finish, copy filtered or formula results into a new sheet if you need a static list or report. This keeps your search clean. If expected results are missing, check for hidden rows, filtered out ranges, or merged cells that block matches. Also normalize input with trim and clean to remove invisible spaces and characters. Then retry your search or formula. If a formula still fails, validate range references and ensure rejects patterns are escaped correctly. That single character often breaks a match.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.